Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Fidaus bin Hazli. My metric number is AE180039. I will present about the activity 1 for exercise number 2. So this is the result for the activity 1. First, for the table 1.1, at first S1 and SG are set in off condition, so there is no current flow and the lamp will not light up. Second, I turn on the S1 and the lamp is still off. Then I turn on both switches and the lamp is on. Then I turn off the SG and the lamp is still light up because the transistor or SCR is already triggered. Then I turn off both switches so the lamp is not light up or off. So we go to the table 1.2. For this table 1.2, it include the switch for S2. At first, we turn off all the switch and the lamp is not light up or in off condition. Then we turn on the S1 while the other two switches are off condition, so there is no current flow, so the lamp is still off. Then I turn on the S1 and SG, so there is a current flow. From that, the light is light up. Then I turn off the SG switch and turn on the S2 switch. There is a current flow because S2 is functioning as a bypass circuit, so there is a current flow. Then the light is lit up. At the end of the activity, I turn off all the switch, so there is no current flow. Thus, light is off. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Muhammad Shukri, alias Proprietary. Number metric is AE180045. I will present the activity 2, which is transistor characteristic. This is circuit for activity 2. So we have ammeter, we have voltmeter, we have indicator, lamp, variable resistor, SCR, and we run. So after we run, we must close the switch 2 and switch 1. So variable resistor is at the minimum value, which is 0% from 10 kilo, which means there are no resistor here. So the indicator lamp is light on. Our current that flow in circuit is 756.442 milliampere. And for voltmeter, VAK, we got 1.065 volt. When we raise the variable resistor volume to 5% from 10 kilo, which is 500 ohm, the indicator lamp is light off. The emitter, so our current that flow inside the circuit, we call it current holding current, and the value is 21.73 milliampere. The current is still flow inside the circuit, but it's not enough power to light on our indicator lamp. So the conclusion is, if we want to light on the indicator, our current must more than holding current. That's all for me. Thank you.
is Muhammad Fisman. Method number AE180022. Okay, today I'm going to explain you about the first control for the T3. In this circuit, we use the CSR at here and also the variable resistor at here. We need to variable the percentage of the resistor in order to trigger the CSR. Okay, in circuit also, we also measured the current between the resistor and the load and voltage meter at a lamp between this lamp, and also we also use the oscilloscope for the see the output of the sine wave at here, because we use the AC current AC source for the our source, and this is our output, which is for the alpha 1 3.318 for the voltage, and for the current is 230.35 milliampere. For the alpha 2, we also use the 1.948 voltage and the 123.8 for current. For the alpha 3, we got the voltage of 39.27 microvolt and 2.7 microampere. Okay, this is the calculation of the alpha, and the range of alpha we got here A1 and A2. For A3, 0, because this sine wave is actually in this flat line. Okay, for the sine wave, this is the sine wave for the alpha 1, which is the output, and for this the input for the AC, and this is for the alpha 2, and this is for AC source for the alpha 2. And finally, we see that the alpha 3 is actually 0. Thank you, that's it for me.